Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So just wanted to, well, real quick, I am going to put up my Christmas decorations. I'm gonna redecorate this gallery wall, just one side. This side of it, I think I have this side, but I feel like I want to leave it the way it is. So I'm gonna change this side. I got some canvas pictures from Smallwood Home. Just some of my son's newborn pictures, and then we took fall photos, and they came out really good. They were having a sale, so I'm going to put these up. Y'all be sure to hit that red subscribe button, thumbs up, and leave any comments down below. Bye. So I just wanted to show you all the stuff that I have. This is this bin of stuff, and there's like stuff underneath here. And then like I have a whole bin of stuff over here. I think last year, I have to look at my video because I don't even remember. I think I did like a silver theme for Christmas. I am going to try not to buy anything. Now, something I do know I for sure need to buy are stockings. My husband, me, and my dog PJ all have stockings, but Kari needs a stocking, and I kind of want us to have all the same stockings with our names on it, so I'm gonna have to order those offline. But besides that, and then maybe some ribbon to go on the Christmas tree, depending on what I go with. But that should be the only thing I order. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. I'm trying not to spend a lot of money if I can, because I usually do a little too much and I'm a little extra. We do need to buy some more Christmas lights for outside the house, so hopefully I can find those somewhere not super expensive. But let's get back to this decorating.